Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining. My name is Veronica from Resource One Credit Union.
Hi, my name is Elizabeth, and I'm also with Resource One Credit Union. And today we're here to give you the scoop on home improvement loans. We're here to take the stress out of applying for a home improvement loan and giving you different options to find the most friendly financing available for your next home improvement project. We're going to walk you through a few features of each loan, and that way you have the tools you need for whenever you're ready to finance that project. So let's get started.
So, a home improvement loan can be used for a lot of different things. There's always something, I'm sure, but you can use them for a kitchen remodel, maybe remodeling your bathroom, your deck, your patio. Maybe you need some solar panels, a roof replacement. You need some repairs on that roof, or maybe even adding a swimming pool. It is hot outside. Some loans can be used to pay a contractor or just to do something yourself.
We have several options for your home improvement project. Some of the ones that are the most common though that we offer is one you'll know as a second lien or home equity loan. With that, you're basically adding a secondary mortgage onto your account or onto your home. So with that, instead of having one payment for your mortgage, you're actually going to have two payments. But the best thing about this is you end up taking the equity out of your home and using it for the collateral of that loan. The other option is something called a cash out refinance. This completely erases and pays off your original loan. And then it uses the equity to give you some cash out and roll it into a brand new loan. So instead of having two payments like the second lien loan, you only have the one payment. It completely replaces your original mortgage, plus you get that additional cash out, and that way you can do some stuff with it, like pay off some medical debt, or maybe you need to add on to your home or do a remodel in the home improvement. This would be perfect. I would also highly suggest this loan if the loan rates are good, which they are at the current moment. And that way you can, if you have a higher interest rate and you have your original mortgage back a couple of years, this would definitely be a value add because the rate would be lower at this point in time, and you could potentially lower how many years you actually owe on your loan.
And let's also not forget about the home improvement personal loan. So, whether you're looking to remodel your kitchen or increase your home's energy efficiency, you can do so with the home improvement loan. A cool thing about this is there's no appraisal required. We're not talking about equity. There's no collateral even required for this type of loan. And then there's also same-day funding with the home improvement loan, fixed rates, and you can get up to $25,000 with terms up to 15 years. So to estimate how much you can borrow, and I do say estimate, it's an estimate, but normally you're going to just subtract the outstanding balance on your home, on your mortgage, from the current market value of your home. And that's how much you can probably borrow.
If you want to get an exact amount of how much equity, definitely contact our loan officers and they'll be happy to start you on the process of getting that equity out of your home so you can do a home improvement or make another purchase. We definitely offer some loans for smaller jobs around the house. For those DIYers that really want to spruce up a room, but it doesn't require very much money, we have personal loans, secure loans, credit cards. We even have a fast cash loan where you can get money now and you can get money in a year. So maybe there's a project where you start it now and then want to finish later in a year, or you want to start one now and you'll repeat later in the year. That would be the perfect loan for you.
So you can start the process online. You can give us a call one of our reps, or make a branch appointment with one of our loan officers. Now, some of these loans, they do require some paperwork. So your loan officer will let you know anything that you need for whatever loan type you're interested in.
Our team is here and ready to help you on your project. So call us and we're ready to get you started.